Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change default email fonts on the Outlook desktop app. This is incredibly useful if you want to personalize how your emails appear or make them easier to read with a font that suits your preference. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. This will load in all your emails and give you access to the settings we need to adjust. Take a moment to let everything load properly, especially if you have a lot of messages syncing. Now that your emails are fully loaded, it's time to dive into the settings. Navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs up there, and what you're looking for is the View menu. Click on the View tab to open it up. This menu contains various options for customizing how you see and interact with your emails. Once the View tab is open, look for the View Settings option. You'll recognize it by the gear icon next to it, which is a universal symbol for settings across most applications. Click on View Settings, and this will open a new settings window with several configuration options. This is where Outlook lets you fine-tune how your interface and messages are displayed. In this settings window, you'll see an option called Other Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This section gives you access to more detailed customization features, including how your message previews appear. Within the Other Settings options, look for the section labeled Message Preview. This is where you can control the visual aspects of how messages are displayed in your inbox. Inside the Message Preview section, you'll find a button labeled Font. Click on it, and a font selection window will appear. This is where the magic happens. You can now adjust the font type, font style, and size to match your personal preference. Take your time browsing through the available fonts and styles until you find one that feels right for you. Whether you prefer something classic like Arial or something more modern, the choice is entirely yours. Once you've selected your desired font, font style, and size, click on OK to save your changes. Your new font settings will now be applied as the default for how emails appear in your Outlook desktop app. This simple adjustment can make a huge difference in your daily email experience, especially if you spend a lot of time reading and managing messages. And that's it. You've successfully changed your default email fonts on the Outlook desktop app. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.